Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by grabbing a plain crossbow and building an enchantment table zone. You need 4 bookshelves placed 1 block away to reach stronger enchantments. Once done, collect lapis and aim for at least 30 XP levels so the table can offer higher tier results. If the table fails, look for enchanted book alternatives from loot chests, fishing, or trading with librarians. These methods increase your odds of obtaining quick charge books without wasting resources. You now enchant directly at the table. If you see quick charge listed, choose it. This gives a chance at level 1-3 depending on your setup. If the table only yields lower levels, collect multiple quick charge books or crossbows and prepare an anvil. Once you have at least 2 quick charge items or books, use the anvil to combine them. Combining 2 quick charge I books yields Roman 2. Then combine Roman 2 and I or Roman 2 and Roman 2 to reach quick charge 3. This is the reliable path. Finish by applying the quick charge 3 book to your crossbow on the anvil. The XP cost can be high, so make sure you have enough levels before confirming. If your crossbow has conflicting or unwanted enchantments, use a grindstone to strip them off first, then reapply quick charge. Remember, grindstone removes all non-curse enchants. If you're not finding books, reset librarian trades by breaking and replacing lecterns until you get quick charge offers. This saves time versus endless enchanting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.